Hi, I'm Andrew Gordon, Vice President of Business Development for CAST.
Hi, my name's Decker Densham, and I'm from the BlackTrax team here at CAST.
Over the past 27 years, CAST has been providing several industries with the solutions and tools to succeed, starting with WYSIWYG, our lighting design and visualization software, to Vivian, our event design software. Over the past 10 years, CAST has provided BlackTrax to several industries for tracking and automation. Well, today, we are providing a new tool, Converge, the tracking and camera automation system for spaces that you're looking into. Converge is a camera automation system that will enable your PTZs in a new workflow and solution to help you automate and increase your creativity. To help me demonstrate some of these features, I'm going to pass things over to my colleague Decker. Over to you, Decker.
Thanks, Andrew. Now, let's take a deeper dive into Converge and talk about how it all works. You can use Converge with different PTZ camera models in the Panasonic range, such as the UE100 or the UE150. However, this is not just basic XYZ tracking. This is tracking with intelligent features to enhance your productions. On to some features of Converge, one of which is automatic zoom. Automatic zoom works because we understand the location of the PTZ camera and the location of the talent. So you'll notice as I walk towards the camera, we keep the same shot on me regardless of where I am, and if I walk to the back wall again. Another cool thing we can do with BlackTrax is apply an offset. So, as a talent, I prefer to wear my stringer on my lapel, but we have some talent that like to wear their stringer on their waist, some talent that like to wear their stringer on their collar. We can offset the data in any direction so that you always have the perfect shot on those that you're tracking. In addition, we're actually really excited to debut a new tracking method with the cameras in the Panasonic range here today. Previously, we were communicating with these cameras via a method called HTTP, but thanks to the inclusion of FreeD and NDI, we can now provide a much smoother, much faster way to communicate with these camera models. FreeD allows us a low latency method to find out the current pan-tilt zoom values of each PTZ camera, and NDI similarly allows us a very fast method of directing our trackable data towards your talent. Now we can move this quickly because BlackTrax updates at a refresh rate of 100 Hertz. So you'll notice as I move around the space, there's no opportunity for me to escape the shot, and you're always going to be in frame. In addition to PTZ cameras though, if you have other integrations on site you want to make use of, such as lighting fixtures, media servers, or spatial audio systems, the tracking data can be fed into all those different ecosystems. Back to you, Andrew.
As you can see, Converge's rich features and workflow provides you with a streamlined solution to automate the cameras in your space, providing you with more creative shots and more time to work on the minutia. Thank you again for joining us today, and have a great day and stay safe.